share my thoughts. So, what I'm going to cover is about the Goa ecosystem, how we are contributing to the Digital India initiative. What's the first thing that comes to your mind when you say Goa? Beach? A fade picture, something like this? Come on, accept it. Yeah, beaches, fun. Don't forget the Feni, right? Yeah, that's the overall picture how people portray Goa as majority of the time. Trust me, ask 8 out of 10. This is a situation. Ever thought there could be a startup ecosystem in Goa? No. Now, yes. Ask 5 years back. What would have been the situation? Is this? When I started my company in 2009, and I had many of others, friends also starting their company, and this was the reaction most of the times I got. What, Goa? Startup? Are you kidding me? Technology startup? Well, this was a total scene. But guess what? 5 to 6 years down the line, the reaction is completely different. I asked few startup people out there, and this was the reaction at 1 p.m. today. They were happy. You talk about technology, Goa has completely changed the whole ecosystem today. You ask a lot of companies today in Goa, not just Goan companies, you have a lot of startups that actually have migrated to Goa to start up their venture, which is great to see. Now, what does Goa has to offer, and how are we contributing to Digital India initiative? And that's what the purpose I'm here. I'm going to talk about how Goa is doing in fairly well in terms of IT, startups, and all other things. Since morning we have heard about there's nothing much happening about IT, right, in Goa. But trust me, next 7 to 8 minutes, a lot of things here that I'm going to be showing is going to be really cool because there are startups, and that's not just going to be on the paper because a lot of national media, a lot of things have got covered in Goa in terms of the startups. So let me start with this by the now scene. What do you see now? I mean, first thing is technology. We have startups and innovations. Now, the reason why I put that star there is for the very fact that we are just growing. We are just innovating. We just started innovating. I'm going to talk through some of the projects that have actually been part of the Digital India initiative, as I mentioned earlier. And interestingly, they have not just got the whole media, Indian media behind them, but they have got a coverage which is even beyond this Indian media, which is great to see. Goa was always pictured to be a fun place, but not today. 2015 has been a revolutionizing year for us. Now, if you check out these statistics, Tier 3 is where you see Panjim, part of Goa, and there are a lot of startups in Goa, and which is great to see. There's a lot of things happening in Panjim. Now, what is the motivation why the startups have actually come in Goa? Why is it that a lot of things have started moving in Goa in terms of IT, startups, technology, innovations? Three important factors, 20 plus IT startups. Let me just ask, how many of you all know that there are 200 plus IT startups in Goa? Shocking? We have a list. We have a list of startups. Yes, we have a list of startups. Not just to mention here, we run a WhatsApp group of all IT companies. We run WhatsApp group of 100, and we have another group which runs 100, which is like awesome. And they, we'll take that offline. 8 engineering institutes. Now, reason I'm mentioning this 8 engineering institutes is the manpower is supplied by these engineering colleges, and which is the backbone for any IT company. It's important. Skilled manpower. In-house tech activities, a lot of tech activities, but I'm not going to focus on all of these things. What I'm going to focus on is how Goa has evolved from this problem to something what we have called as an innovating factor in Goa. But if you see this reality, how we have actually taken each step has been 3 important issues. Skill staff. That's very important. I think what ma'am said earlier regarding the education factor, the illiteracy, that is also a part of this because to have a good staff member in a company require a technical expertise. Then you have 8 engineering colleges, mission industry oriented study base. Why I'm mentioning here is this has contributed, and I think Vincent is going to talk about it a little later point of time. And then you have a tech activities which is a little less tech skilled. So the moment you have people on board, it becomes really tough for them to actually spend a little more time in giving them a training and blah and blah. Now, what's the focus of the Digital India initiative, which has been like the independent efforts which most of the groups have been taking? Two important aspects. One is quality of knowledge, what the several communities have been giving out to people, because that's been important. So we have gone down to a level where we think the core is knowledge, and that's been one of the inspiration to all of us. Startups. I think one of the initiatives here is one of the 9 missions of Digital India. One of them is e-governance, powering a lot of things. And I think that's been changing. Still in progress, but we think things moving in Goa actually. Now, let me just go a little deeper and just talking about these things. We have knowledge-based centers. Let me just quickly go through all of these. Goa Android User Group, the second largest Android group in Goa, the largest tech group in Goa. Membership count 1,000 plus active members. Then we have Tech Fridays. It's been initiative by the JTech, having all the tech members together, CEOs, founders together on the evening and have fun. Talk about what innovative products they have built, what is the innovation they are doing in their startups. Web Folks Meetup. This also includes a WordPress meetup where the Goa is primarily known to be a web service base. But now you see a lot of other activities happening, and Web Folks meetups are good. Robotic workshop. This is very interesting actually. There's one startup which actually, I'm going to talk about that startup later, so I'm not going to mention it right away. But these guys have been doing workshops for school children. School children actually build robots. Bloggers Launch. Folks from the bloggers field come together, talk about blogging and a lot of other things. Nitro Droid, largest Android event, and GITP program, which we're going to talk about a little later. Let me just walk you through some of the pictures. Web Folks meetups, robotic workshop, that's the same thing which I was talking about. The initiative which allows students to actually develop robots. Tech Fridays is one of the coolest space to be around. GOG meetups, that's the Goa Android User Groups meetup. The Bloggers Lounge, and of course the Nitro Droid. Now let's talk about the startups, how the startups are evolving. So if you are in Goa, the first question is where do we visit? What are the mediums at which we need to channelize to? You have YEF, Young Entrepreneurship Forum by Chamber, Goa Chamber of Commerce. We are organizing monthly meetups. Startup Saturdays, it's by the Head Start Networks, and it runs a lot of activities around India, a lot of cities. And then we have independent event, Startup India Rocks. Just to quote here, one of the startups in Goa was selected at the Startup India Rocks, was a winner in fact, at the Startup India Rocks event. And then you have Gartner Symposium, which just happened this month, and Design Yantra. This is more about the design aspects in a startup. Now this is one of the event which happened by Your Story in Goa, the first Your Story event in Goa, which actually got some of the investors and startups to get their ideas pitched to investors. Very cool event which actually took place last month. Startup Saturdays, this is a recent picture in fact, 2 days back at BETS Pilani. Startup Rocks India, the conference which I just mentioned a while ago. ID Roadshow, not to mention the person here, Jovis Pereira, there he's at the back, and he's been one of the key contributors to this, bringing all of these synergies together. Some of the startups, Kalos Engineering, this company actually was selected Loki Martin program, actually mentions the ECG on your mobile in the emergencies. One of the cool startups, one of the featured startups in India. Inventment Robotics, the company which I didn't mention earlier, they are into robotics, and they are one of the startups which have got featured by the Digital India initiative which went to Silicon Valley. I'm going to talk about them a little later. In fact, they are the same one who actually started robotics in Goa, and they've been contributing to a lot of school workshops as well. Fleetrover, they are into a fleet management system. MovaBeat, mobile monetization. In fact, they are going to be at Silicon Valley this month. They're going to be one of the few companies in India who have got an opportunity to showcase their startup at Silicon Valley. Their designs exclusively in user interface and user experience. Well, that's mine, so I'm not going to talk about it. We are into mobile engineering. I think my introduction mentioned. Now, those were the startups. Okay. Now, what is the other aspects of it? The established companies who've been a lot of employees, a lot of team members along them. Now just to mention here is these are not the only startups here. I've just featured because of the crunch of the time. But there are a lot of startups. I'm sure that, can I see a raise of hands of all the startups here present from Goa? We have Imagine Works there. Well, Imagine Works is in web development, and I mean some folks from Fleetova and Inventor. Giants, Roundtape, e-commerce platform, online productivity solutions, been there in IT field for so many years. Open Destination, and these are and 3D Systems, of course. They are one of the fine companies who have actually got modular phones. They work on modular phones. Now, how Goa has been contributed to the contributing to Digital India? As I mentioned, Inventor was invited at Silicon Valley. We see our Prime Minister here, one of the startups in India. First one in Goa to actually be at the Silicon Valley, presenting their startup product called as NetPlug. And that was me at the PMO initiative by MyGov, where I spoke and mentored total 80 startups in Ahmedabad event. So this was in collaboration with Google. So these are a couple of things. Now, what are the other focus facilitators to whom we have collaboration with? Of course, Chamber, GTech, Goa Professional Group, CII Startup Goa. This actually is an active blog. Ever want to start a company in Goa? That's the platform you need to follow. They have an active running job board. SIBA Incubation Center, BNI Network, iCreate, GEMS, and Wisdom Labs. Focus groups. Some of the events which we had. In fact, NASSCOM recently had, they're actually looking in terms to have a giant event in Goa, which is good to see. And Scale was the recent events that happened in Goa. And as I mentioned, this is just one slide, but if you just Google Goan startups, I'm sure that you'll find a lot of information about Goan companies got featured. This was your story, which actually came down to Goa to feature exclusively on Goa, and they were shocked to see the numbers, which I mentioned, 200 startups. Trust me, we have a list of all the 200 startups. We can actually provide you right away. Right, Jarvis? Cool. So this is the presentation which I had. I am done, so I think the questions will be taken later. Finally, before I leave, one quote, I always believe in this. Silicon Valley is not a destination, it's a vision. Any place, being Goa, can be a Silicon Valley. And that unknown is me. Thanks.
Thank you.